In this video, I'll show you how to connect Microsoft Clarity to Google Analytics. Start by signing into your Microsoft Clarity account and open the project you want to connect. Next, click Settings, then select Integrations from the menu. After that, find Google Analytics in the list of available integrations and click Connect. Now sign into the Google account associated with your Google Analytics property. Review the requested permissions and click Allow to authorize the connection. Next, choose the Google Analytics property you want to link with Microsoft Clarity, then confirm the integration. Finally, wait a few minutes for the connection to become active. Once it's complete, you can use Clarity alongside Google Analytics to gain deeper insights into your website's traffic and user behavior. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Microsoft Clarity to Google Analytics. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.